So in today's video, I just want to ask you if you have ever experienced this or you are currently going through that. In your pig farming journey, have you ever encountered a situation whereby a pig, especially a female pig, is very stubborn, very destructive to the extent that she destroys every gate you make for her? She roots the whole rooms and make the place very messy, and she even messes the whole place in the room. Yet you find it difficult to let go of that pig? Yes, that is what currently Francis is going through on his farm. I have this particular cell, just like you can see here in the video. Any room you put it to, she'll try as much as possible to locate a small spot, and then from there she will uproot the whole room from there, to the extent that all the cement is taken out and the gate gets bitten and chewed in some way. So it's only her. So it's only her room that when I'm sweeping, I need to put on nose mask because it's very dusty. She has uprooted the whole cement to the extent that now you sweep dust instead of feces. But the funny part is that these piglets grow very fast, so I'm finding it very difficult to let it go. I remember one of her piglets, at the time of weaning, it has already crossed 15 kilos in 6 weeks. So you can imagine this kind of pig. So selling it is very difficult for me, but I've told myself very heartened that since she's already pregnant, as you can see, she's already pregnant and will deliver very soon. I'll just watch her, and once the weaning is done, I have to make a decision to let her go. Yes, I think this is one of the hardest decisions I will make, but I have to do it. And it's not just that she's destructive on the farm, but if you are not very careful when you are working with this kind of pig, it can injure you. So these are the kind of animals that call you for safety boots on the farm, because it will never stand at one place. You are sweeping and she's just running all over the place, trying to step on you, and also even trying to push you down. If you're not careful, it will push you down on the farm, right? And she makes this kind of silly noise that even annoys me the most. You not even touch it, but the kind of noise you make, the whole farm will think maybe you are even using a cane on it, which is something that pisses me off. Sometimes I just beat it. Yeah, I beat it because I didn't even beat you and you are making that kind of beating noise. I have to beat you to confirm it. Though her litter is very nice, I mean her piglets are very nice, her behavior is so uncalled for, and living with her on the farm is very stressful. So sometimes when I'm not there and I hand over the farm to my mom, I always think about what is happening to my mom with that particular pig alone. What is happening? How is she able to manage that particular pig alone on the farm? Right, so this is the pig. She makes silly noise, shits everywhere, they destroy every place you cement. The gate you put, she will remove it and it begin to chew. If it is the wooden one, she begins to chew them. And then even the drinking trough, you put it inside for her to drink from. So you can also at least have some time to do other things. It will end up urinating into it and then messing up the whole place. And when it is time for you to even feed them, all the pigs are very gentle. They are calm, waiting for their turn to get served. But this particular pig alone will make noise to the extent that it looks as if it is the only pig very hungry on the farm, and you have to attend to her first. That is a behavior, and this, to me, I have some kind of patience with animals, but this particular pig annoys me that I can't cope with her. So I also made a mistake of letting her get pregnant because, like I said, I love her litter. Winning weight at 15 kilos is not a joke. So I love the litter and how they grow, but I need to make this decision and let her go after this pregnancy. So as you are seeing her today, I don't know how long you have been able to cope with a pig of this kind on your farm, but as you see mine today, once she follows and I come here to give updates about her litter and how they are doing, that is the end of her. She's not going to reproduce again and she'll be sold off completely. That is what I just wanted to know in this video, and also share your experience with me in terms of you handling this kind of pigs on your farm. So pig farming is very stressful sometimes, and like I said, decisions have to be made, but they need to also be very strategic in the long run. I'm sure you're learning from the Pigversity channel. Keep subscribed to it. We do more of this on the channel, and then couple with other fun activities.